Hello friends, welcome to my channel Master the Monster. Equations. Do you think equations are pure mathematics? Then you're absolutely wrong. Equations are part of our daily life. We use equations in our daily life. We not only use them, we also need equations to solve many real life problems. Before learning equations in detail, subscribe to my channel so that you will enjoy learning maths. Solution of a pair of linear equations in two variables. In our previous video, we have learned about linear equations, their solutions, and the geometric meaning. Now in this video, we are going to learn how to solve a pair of linear equations in two variables, right? In solving pair of equations, we have the graphical method and the algebraic methods. Regarding algebraic methods, there are substitution method, elimination method, and cross multiplication method. See, all the four methods we will learn one by one. First, we'll start with the graphical method of solving a pair of linear equations in two variables, right? Okay, now the steps involved in solving pair of linear equations is that you should plot the graph of the given equation. You know that the given equation is going to be a straight line, isn't it? So we'll find points on the straight line and plot them in the graph. So that straight line will represent we'll get two straight lines, of course, pair of straight lines, and that straight lines will represent the given pair of equations, right? After drawing these straight lines, we will conclude by seeing the straight lines itself. So we'll conclude as follows. See, if the lines are intersecting, then the point of intersection gives us the solution of the given equations, right? So if the lines are intersecting, they will intersect at a point definitely, and that point is the solution of the given set of equations. If the next case is that if the lines are parallel, then we conclude that there is no solution to the given set of equations, right? Okay, and the last possibility is that if the lines are coincident, then we say that the equations have an infinite number of solutions. So all these three conditions we have already discussed in our previous video in detail, isn't it? So that's what we are going to follow in the graphical method of solving equations also. Okay, now let's proceed to find the solution by graphical method. Now let's consider the pair of equations x plus 3y equals 6, 2x minus 3y equal 12. Okay, now I'm going to draw these lines in the graph, and I'm sure that I'm going to get a straight line for each equation, isn't it? Okay, now in order to draw a straight line, I need at least 2 points. Okay, 2 coordinates we need. So let us take the first equation, find the 2 points through which the line passes, and then we'll draw the line. Similarly, we'll take the second equation. We'll find 2 coordinates. Okay, now we'll consider the first equation. Okay, now let me substitute x equals 0 so that the equation becomes 0 plus 3y equals 6. So that gives me 3y equals 6. That gives y equal 2. So when I substitute x equals 0, I got y equal 2. So the first point is 0, 2. Right? Now let me substitute y equals 0 so that the equation becomes x plus 0 equals 6, and hence x equals 6. Therefore, when x equals 0, y equals 2. When y equals 0, x equals 6. So I have tabulated the values. When x equals 0, y equals 2, and when y equals 0, x equals 6. So I have found the coordinates for the first equation. Similarly, let me find the coordinates for the second equation by substituting first x equals 0. When I substitute x equals 0, the equation becomes 0 minus 3y equal 12. This on simplification gives minus 3y equal 12, which in turn gives me y equal minus 4. So when x equals 0, I get y equal minus 4. Similarly, let me substitute y equals 0 so that the equation becomes 2x minus 0 equal 12, which means 2x is equal 12, which on simplification gives us x equals 6. So let me tabulate these values of x, y also. When I substitute x equals 0, I got y equal minus 4. And when I substituted y equal 0, I got x equal 6. So these are the tabulated values. And using these values, I'm going to draw the graph of the given pair of equations and get the given pair of solutions. Let's proceed to draw the graph. So these are our equations and these are the values we have found for x and y. Using them, let me plot the graph. Now consider the x-axis and y-axis. Now we'll plot the first point. The first point is x equal for the first line. First point of the first line is x equals 0, y equal 2. So the point is 0, 2, which is here. Alright. And the next point is 6, 0. So it's going to be here. 6, 0. Right. Okay. So I have plotted the 2 points for the first equation. So now let me join these 2 points so that I get the straight line of the equation x plus 3y equals 6. So first line I have drawn. Now we'll go for the next equation. The first point of the next equation is when x equals 0, y equal minus 4. Therefore the first point is 0 minus 4. Right? And then the next point is 6, 0, which I have already plotted for the first line. So that 2 points coincide. So this is my second point. 6, 0 is the second point of the second equation. So let me join these 2 points so that I get the straight line of the equation 2x minus 3y equal 12. And we see that the 2 lines are intersecting and they intersect at the point 6, 0. Therefore, I conclude that 6, 0 is the solution of the given equations. So this is how we solve a pair of linear equations using graphical solution. So the solution is x equals 6, y equals 0. Suppose you have the straight lines to be parallel, then we say that the given pair of equations have no solution. If you get 2 coincident lines, then we conclude that it has infinitely many solutions. So this is how we solve given equations using graphical method. Hope you all understand the graphical method of solving a pair of linear equations in 2 variables using graphical method. Thank you.